meron tayong na-receive the message, no? Sure daw ba, no, na yung pinost ko na pwede nang ma-approve kahit merong pre-existing condition, kahit cancer, doon sa bagong plan, no, that nilaunch sa company namin. The answer to that question is yes. So imagine, no, ang ganda nitong bagong product na ito. Before, talagang pag may pre-existing condition ka na, auto-decline yan eh, lalo na pag cancer, lalo na pag nagki-chemotherapy ka na, nagkaroon ka na ng dreaded disease. But right now, the story is different. Kasi pwede ka nang ma-insure kahit nagkaroon ka na ng mga ganong sakit. You don't need to present medical records. Hindi ka na i-require magpa-check up. Establish that you are healthy, that you are approvable sa life insurance. Hindi na kailangan. Okay? This is under the what we call guaranteed insurability offer. From the word itself, guaranteed. Pag nag-apply ka nito, guaranteed na ma-approve ka. Ang age limit natin para mag-apply dito is from 0 to 70 years old. At ang coverage dito is up to age 100. Ayan, ganun kaganda tong plan na to. If you are interested to know more about this product, no, you can message me. I can help you to have one.